Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will configure the Kanban List View Grid to display a list of records using a specific list view across a navigation path. With this component, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of all your work and effortlessly filter records in your pipeline. First, let's create a new app page. Go to the Setup and open the Lightning App Builder. Set the label to Case Kanban Board and click Next. Select one region and click Finish. Go to the Component Explorer and search for Kanban List View Grid. Drag and drop the component into the main region. Set the related object name to Case. Set the list view name to all cases. Set the page size to 50 for example. For a custom icon, we can set it as a standard case. Scroll down. Check Show Record Details. Scroll down. Check Show Border. Check Show Column Border. Let's save our work for now and activate this app in the Service Cloud. Choose an icon. We are not done yet. Click back. Perfect, our app is now working. Final step is to create a Kanban Stages. Go to Config Wizard, and find Kanban Stages. Our case here is to create a Kanban Stages by status if it's open or on hold or closed. Copy the config and go back to Edit Page. Paste the config here. It's done. Save your work and click back. Now we can see the Kanban stages that we create. Let's inline edit the grid and update some of the records. Here we can see the record details. Thank you for watching.